Shari again. So this is a 3-bedroom apartment right off Gong Road. You're not far from Junction Mall. It's around 100 meters from here. You have the field over there as well. And for this specifically, it has a plinth area of 167 square meters, and it starts from 17.1 million Kenya shillings to 18.9 million Kenya shillings. I want to give you a tour of this specific property, show you whether it's really worth your money. Now, from the first look, you can already see it looks quite nice, right? So I want us to check at everything, you know, from the quality of finishes, the paint, how everything is done. Let's get straight to the tour of this apartment. Okay, so starting off, this is going to be your entrance, all right? And once you come in, you have this huge door. It's metallic, so security, you don't have to be worried about that. Now, from the first look, this is going to be what you're met with, some sort of a foyer, but you also have your laundry room here. And this building is still under construction, so this is where you're going to have your laundry area, and it's all ensuite, 3-bedroom all ensuite, and it has a DSQ. So this is going to be your foyer. You have a lot of storage there as well. You're going to keep your things here, your helmet, your car keys. So well done, excellently done. A lot of space, and the lighting, warm colors, so they make the place look homey, and I love such kind of lights. You're going to find that this is going to be your DSQ. It's quite small. It's quite small. Here, the only option I would think of is having a foldable bed, because once you come in, the space is quite tight, but it's also ensuite. So your staff is also going to get his or her washroom. So it's not common. Now, that being your DSQ, this is going to be the common washroom. Okay. So everybody you have guests, they can just use this one. That is your walkway from your door heading this way. This is where you have your kitchen. Now, the choice of art, they chose something great to present this house. Here you have your space for a double-door fridge, a lot of cabinet space up there, and you have this island. Now, for the island, it's optional. You can have it, or you can choose to not have it, which can also mean you're going to get a discount. So it's something for, you know, somebody who doesn't want an island and wants to use that space for something different. All right, so this is going to be your kitchen area, a lot of cabinet space up there. You have more storage space here, and this is going to be your sink. Again, I mentioned the sink quality is very great. I like the dark colors. This is a granite countertop. You have a small window there that is overlooking other apartments. So this is coming with the property. You have your oven there, your smoke extractor. This is not coming with the property. It's just for presentation. So the kitchen wise, it's quite spacious. You're going to get to place your double-door fridge here. This is not coming with the property. The island, just like I said, you can choose to have it or not have it. Now, coming this way, this is where you're going to have your dining area. Whether you choose to have that island or not, it can determine how big your dining table is going to be. So for this case scenario, they chose to use a round table, which it's not bad, but I do prefer the rectangle one. But it's also a nice presentation. In terms of the island is what determines how you're going to place that there. Now for the chandelier, I've gotten word that this is not coming with the property. It's for presentation, but again, you can always customize your house exactly the way you want. If you want that added, I'm sure you can be able to talk with us and we can have that done for you. That space as well, you have a lot more storage here, which is also optional. You can have it there, or you can choose to have it removed. Again, that means a lot of discount. Now, I like the choice of art that they have been able to use there. And in terms of lighting, the gypsum lighting, it looks lovely going all around. So you're getting a lot of light. Now you also have a balcony over there, but this, I just want us to look at the living room first because it is huge. I'm in this space and I can tell you for sure that it is very, very huge. You're going to have your wall unit optional as well, just like the other 3-bedroom that we checked out. So you can have it, or you can choose to not have it, and you can comfortably fit a huge TV. This is a 75-inch chandelier. Again, this is optional. You can it's not coming with a property, so you can choose to customize it at your own free will. Whatever suits you, you can go with it. Now you can see how huge it is. You can be able to fit an L couch, 9-seater, 10-seater. It will comfortably fit there. Now in terms of the windows, going straight, you have a balcony, and this balcony overlooks the Junction Mall. Exactly what I was telling you about, the convenience of having a mall nearby. So the road is right there, the highway is not far from here, and your balcony, it's going to be huge, very, very huge. And you have these sliding doors that when you have the curtains aside, you're going to get a ton of natural light. And look at that, it looks very, very lovely. And corner to corner, you can see how huge it is. Now there's some stunning architecture that has gone on in here. Now, not only from how the lighting has been done to the gypsum going round, they have placed one room there, one bedroom there that is ensuite, and the 2 other bedrooms are on this side, with the master being right here and the other room being right there. Now I want us to start with that room specifically. That has been your balcony, where you can enjoy some light, some breeze getting in. So yeah, let's head to the first bedroom that can act as a guest bedroom, an office as well. So here it is. First look, you're met with your washroom. So you have your shower cubicle there. It looks excellent, well done. Your toilet seat there, and your vanity is going to be there. Your mirror, which can come lit up, and it also acts as a storage space, so you can be able to put a lot of things there. And you have another socket here, which is very, very good, because if you have your blow dry, your shaver, you're going to want to do those businesses here. So having that is very clever, and it should be done in every apartment. Now heading this way, that's your living room, but this is your bedroom. You have a window there, so you're getting some light in, and it's huge. This bed is a 6x6, and you can see you still have spaces on both sides to fit drawers. So you can tell by that this room is quite huge. Here, this can also be a workstation. You can be able to put a table here, whereby you get the views of the road. And I like the art, the way they've presented that there. You have your storage there, some cabinets whereby you can place your clothes, and this wall right here is where you can be able to place a TV if you like to have one. Now in terms of the lighting, excellent. It is well done. I love the ambience of the lighting, the warm colors to make everything look great. Now the good thing about this one, you're going to have sockets on both sides of the bed, his and hers, not like the other standard one that we were able to check. So that's the good thing about this one as well, and it's lovely. Now from the size of this washroom, it's very huge. So that being the first bedroom, either your guest bedroom or your child's bedroom, they come into the living room this way, and then straight up you have your 2 other rooms. Now this is going to be your primary bedroom, your master bedroom, but first I want us to check this second bedroom. Now once you come in, you're met with your washroom as well. That's your toilet seat. You have your shower cubicle here and your vanity here, some storage space right there, and your mirror, which also acts as space. Again, you're getting the convenience of a socket there to be able to do, you know, some things with that are very necessary in this specific place. This washroom, it is huge. I love it. I love this the size of it. They have excellently done that. And once you come from the washroom, the choice of the tiling, it's great. It looks like wood, adds a touch of more elegance. So this is going to be your second room. Now again, it is very, very huge. You can tell from this bed, it's a 6x6. So that gives you an idea of how huge it is. You have your window here that is overlooking other units. It's still under construction, as you can see. Completion date is in December. You are able to also be able to place your drawers on both sides, and I can see a socket there. That's, oh yeah, you also have another socket there. Now the choice of lighting, oh, it looks lovely, it looks so great. And right there is where you can maximize that space. Here below you can put your desk if you want to work from here. You can also place a TV, you can mount a TV there. Choice of colors, I mean the quality of the finishing in terms of paint, it is excellent. Not top tier, but it is excellent from what I can see. You get a ton of space there, so you're able to place your clothes. Everything is well covered in this room. It's that huge. Now straight up, this is where you have your master bedroom. But before that, this is going to be your washroom and the vanity area. Quite spacious, quite huge. More storage space down there on the sides as well. And this is going to be your shower cubicle, your toilet seat, and the lighting as well. You're getting a lot of light in here. And the tiling also, the wood touch, it looks excellent. Your window is going to give you views of this specific area with the mall being there, and you're getting a ton of natural light. Now this room, compared to the others, which we've already identified that they are quite massive, this is on a different level because it is huge. The window itself, from corner to corner, you're able to get all the light in, so you're not going to need any lights during the day because you're already covered. You're able to get drawers on both sides, some night lamps, some chairs as well, and you're able to comfortably fit a huge bed. This is a 6x6 as well. Your TV area, you can be able to set up your desk here, and oh, let me see. So it's a corner window. It comes from that place to the other side of the wall. That shows you the massive, the sheer size of what you're getting. So excellently done, very huge, and quality of finishing in this room specifically, it looks lovely. It looks lovely. They really took some time to create, or rather to build and finish excellently. I like this room already, and so far so great. That has been the tour. So once you come from a master bedroom, this is going to be the view where you're going to see the other room. You're going to see your living room there. This is going to be your dining area, your kitchen. That is elegance. See you in the next video.